Let's see what we got here. Oh my God, that's how we coming?
Everything brand new.
Ooh. Well, y'all see it here, man. This is the actual motor that's going in the Monte Carlo. Literally everything is new. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally finished up, or at least the rough draft, at least on our Reese's 2.0 131 Road Glide, man. That thing is about to be a beast. I can't wait. Meanwhile, you guys know we got a few other parts that we got to get situated on that, so I'm actually about to send this on its way so it can at least get the risers installed along with the bars. And I think my buddy's got some forks, so I'm gonna send him the powder coated forks and he's gonna do everything for us. So by Friday, we should be getting this thing back and we should be able to ride it along with everything else, man. I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, if you guys are just now tuning in, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Yay giveaway, man, you guys know we are giving away our 2020 wide body Daytona number 499 to 501. They only made 501 and I got number 499, man. I'm pairing that together with first place with my 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the Hellcat and the bike together, both for first place. You guys know not only do we got first place, but we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk paired together as well with a Harley Davidson, man. So not only do you get a bike and a Hellcat for first place, you get a Trackhawk and a Harley for second place as well, man. You never know, man. Third place might get something special too, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy you either a sticker or a hat if there are some left, and either one will be your entry into the giveaway. The stickers is only $35, man. So go get in while you can. Meanwhile, I definitely appreciate each and every one of you guys, man, because without you guys, none of this stuff would be possible. Now that we got that out the way, man, you guys know what time it is. We are back in the garage. So like I said, I am about to send this off so I can get the bars and everything installed. Meanwhile, man, I want to go check on my Monte Carlo and a few other things, man. So today you guys are going to be hanging with me. I got Mama with me. We're going to go play for a little bit this morning. Then after that, we're going to hit the road jack and get up in the wind, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty. You guys seen this video yesterday. If you guys didn't, make sure you go check out the video. This thing is looking freaking neat. So I got to throw the crash bar on there real quick. Take that front fender off. And then the transporter is going to be coming to pick this up so my buddy can take it and he can just get all the little stuff on it done. Just really, when I say little stuff, I mean really just the risers and the bars, man. So we'll see what's good. Is that Mama? What's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good.
You like that motorcycles?
Yeah.
Yeah, which one? Which one is your favorite? Which color?
This.
Which one?
Blue.
That blue one? That one?
Yeah.
Not this blue one?
No.
No?
No. Oh, I want to play this one side.
You want to get on your jumper?
Yeah.
You got to call Ari, so see if she can come over and play with you.
Okay.
Go call Ari to see if she's gonna come play with you today.
Okay.
What about this one? Come here real quick. What you think about this bike?
Huh?
What you think about this bike?
Cause it's too scary of me.
It's too scary?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really fast, huh?
Yeah.
This that Big Daddy, huh?
You heard yourself in? Oh, it's a cup.
Yeah, it's a cup. That's that Big Daddy or what?
A big day.
Yeah, this the Big Daddy right here. Say this the 131.
Yeah.
Look, come over here, take a look. You see Screaming Eagle?
Yeah.
What is it? Say it.
Scary.
Screaming Eagle?
Yeah.
Say it.
Scary eagle.
Yep, a scary eagle. Stage Big Daddy.
Yes. Jay's big day.
Yeah, stage Big Daddy.
Yeah.
Yep, so we're gonna see what's up. Go call Ari so you can see if she can come over and play with you.
Okay.
All right, cool. All right, well, y'all see it here first, man. We about to get it together, dog. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see this thing is all loaded up. About to go get it right, man. So whoever need that, man, y'all know what time it is. Whoever on this bike right here, you got head up first since you wanted to meet your day maker right here, man. You wanted to meet your maker, man. So here it is. This is my first race right here. Whenever he get done, let's get it.
You missing the cover, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
My storage door was broken, so I got a few other parts I gotta order.
Okay, you want to give me them parts you want me to take with you?
Oh yeah, most certainly. I almost forgot, man. Let's get this situated. Y'all see what's going on. Alrighty, guys. So we were gonna go to a playground, but I realized we have like a whole backyard back here. So we brought the playground to us, man. Let's pull this jumper out the box and let's set it up and see what it's looking like. Alrighty. There you go. There you go. Go ahead.
Wait, I need to take my shoes off.
Take your shoes off.
I can let go.
First shot. First made shot. Cool, huh? And then you can turn it into a pool.
So cool.
So cool. You like it?
Yeah.
Woohoo! That's funny. Alrighty guys, now that we got Mama situated for a few hours, I'm actually on my way to Done by D's Performance right now. He told me we got some new parts in for the Monte Carlo, man. So I guess today's video is gonna be on the Monte Carlo, because I think the actual wrap for the track hog came in today as well, man. So I don't want to go up there and act like I'm rushing them, but they already know what time it is. So I'm sure by the end of the week, man, we should be getting an update with the track hog. Meanwhile, man, it's Monte Carlo. We got to get this thing situated and get it good to go. So we about to go up here and see what type of new parts we had to get. We're gonna go from there. But in the meantime, and if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. What did you guys think about the Reese's 2.0? Let me know in the comments below, man. It is a movie, gang. Yes, sir, man. We done finally pulled up to the shop. Done by D. Y'all see the motor with the clean engine bay. Y'all know where we at, man. Y'all know where we at, man. My guy, the man with the plan himself. What's up, man? Oh, he working today, man.
Oh, yeah. Bucking this in.
Working.
Be out in about an hour.
All right. But let's see what we got here. Oh my God, that's how we coming?
Everything brand new.
Ooh! Damn! With the cover to go with it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's up.
Yeah, I'm a freak to cover, though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm a freak to cover.
Oh yeah. Y'all see what's going on, so.
Everything new.
Okay, bet. So did you have to put the core in?
Nah.
Nah. We able to see what that cause they didn't really get to see the little freaking block that was missing in that part.
It's at the high.
Oh, you already took it. Yeah. I'm not even noticing it's not here.
Yeah, it's at the high.
Okay, bet.
Oh, that's new. Ain't none of that. That's
Well, y'all see it here, man. This is the actual motor that's going in the Monte Carlo. Literally everything is new. Nothing came out the car. Y'all just see all the big daddy. Come on, man. Everything new. All the big daddy components. What is this? What they call this? A front drive. Front drive.
Oh, yeah.
It's the big daddy front drive on there, man. LSA blower, brand new for the brand new. LS3. New valve covers are everything.
I got the coil, the box, everything.
Valve covers, coil packs, everything fresh out the box. Y'all see what's going on, man. I ain't gonna hold you.
No hiccups.
I ain't gonna hold you, man. That big daddy ready to come on. Come on. Can't wait. Bet. So what other parts we waiting on now?
Yeah, we got minor stuff. Throttle body and all that.
Okay.
Minor, though. I'm waiting. As soon as I finish this one, I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna bring yours in.
Oh, okay. So what else we doing today? We doing suspension and brakes too.
Suspension. I got the brakes already.
Oh, okay, bet. What kind of brakes did we go with?
Wheelwood.
Got the Wheelwood Big Daddies on there. Okay. Got the Big Daddies on there, man. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what's going on, man. I can't wait. I'm excited. So y'all see it here first, man. So I know my people is curious, and I'm curious too, man. So with all my parts being here, it shouldn't take us no time.
Nah. Probably about, I say, a week at the max.
So about maybe a little bit after this next week or around this time next week,
Yeah, for sure.
we should have some motion.
For sure.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Man, if I get this out of here today,
He said today.
Oh, yeah. Man, this out in a couple hours. I'm gonna bring yours in. Probably pull that motor today, for sure.
Oh, you wasn't playing? Oh, yeah. If you do that, I might have to pull back up later on tonight or something.
Oh, yeah. I'm pulling that out tonight.
That'll be cool. That would be cool. So what you doing to this one?
Man, shit, I redid everything. Redid the headers. Painted all this right here. All this is rusted. You know what I'm saying? I painted it. Hit this with the wire brush. Got all this. It was real pitty, real bad. It was kind of looking like this.
Oh,
you know
okay,
what I'm saying? We kind of wanted to save it before we bought a new one. I was able to save it.
Right.
The headers was real rusted. You know what I'm saying? I ended up getting them ceramic coated.
Ceramic coated, yeah.
New wires, new plugs, really new breather.
Everything.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Everything.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna tuck everything. Ain't gonna be no wires being seen, none of it.
Yeah. Pretty
Man,
clean.
you got that cook.
Nah, it's in my car. I got it.
yeah?
I got it. He said, "Man, you forgot the cup." I got it, man. Ooh, we got a big blower on this thing. I'm telling you, I'm excited. This thing look way better just sitting up here. It look way better. That thing crazy. But y'all see what's going on, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm excited now. Alrighty, guys. Next day here, man. I told you guys what we were gonna do. This week we were gonna score a freaking Road King. I scored that, and then I actually scored a freaking another Road Glide, man. So I can't wait, man. It's about to go yay. So being that we did score a Road King, man, I want to show you guys a Road King paint set and see what you guys think about it, man. Let's go up in here and check this stuff out real quick now, shall we? All right. So here is our other Road King paint set. We actually about to unwrap this and check it out here with y'all, man. Let's see what it look like. Just like that, we got our Road King set unwrapped. So you guys see I went like a freaking nice cherry red, nice blue on that thing. You guys just see how we coming. Looks good. Looks good. Got our bag side covers, fork sliders, oil cooler cover. Now, they sent one of these bag latches. However, I don't see the other one in here, so I'm gonna have to call Antonio or our transporter to see what's up. Meanwhile, we got our rear fender right here, front fender, nacelle, gas tank, and you guys see the bags there, so y'all see how it's gonna look. Real nice and wild and stylish, if I might say so myself. If I might say so myself, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. I definitely appreciate it. It's time to go, yeah, man. So, alrighty, guys, gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys caught that video today, man. We finally went to go check out the motor for our Monte Carlo, man. We got a whole new LS3, built up heads, cam, all the good parts that's really inside it, man. We got a new blower on there, brand new blower, and it's actually ported and all that, man. So it's actually gonna be making some more steam. We also got new brakes for that thing, new wheelwood brakes. We also got new suspension and all that stuff, man. So literally, the car is about to go from literally nothing to something. I'm still waiting to find some wheels, man. We can't do the gold. I don't want to do the gold at all. So all the gold accessories and all that stuff got to come off. So I'm actually looking for some brushed Forgiatos, man. I can't wait. Like I said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. We had Mama out here for a second, man. She already done flew back home, so I can't wait to head out there. She want to go to Legoland, so I think I'm gonna head to Legoland this week. Meanwhile, man, I'm waiting for a seat to come in the mail for my guy Javen, because you guys know we got a couple Harleys without seats, man. So I need to get my guy Javen a seat so we can send that thing off for its final destination, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole yay giveaway, man, now's your time to shine, man. You guys know we got our 2020 wide body Hellcat Daytona, the limited edition one, man. We'll be pairing that together with first place with our 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the Hellcat and the bike together, both for first place, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular sticker. Either sticker will gain you entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk, paired together with second place as well with a Harley Davidson. Now, we got a lot of Harleys in here and a lot of them coming. I don't know which one I'm gonna put up for second or third just yet, but all in all, man, you guys will be getting something great, man, just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you an entry, because like I said, man, we could be pulling up to Yodo, one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here taking delivery of one of these Hellcats, a Trackhawk, and a bike, so on and so forth, both together, man. So head on over to everythingregular.com right now. You get 20 entries per sticker purchase, man. 20 entries per sticker purchase today and today only, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Meanwhile, I'm about to get up in here, reset, get my day started. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.